Hello guys, I'm Brandyston Mabea. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Apparently I was in the wrong meeting. Nilichukua the wrong link, but I'm here. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. And before nianze, I'm Brandyston again from Machakos University. I'm a fourth year student doing computer science. So without wasting any time, that yenye imeenda, we can start. So let me share my screen. So today we are going to tackle Pickler, a lab called Pickler. And we've been tasked to find and exploit the vulnerability in the Flask application and use the Flask application to retrieve the hidden flag. The flag is securely stored and can only be accessed by executing a well-crafted attack. So once you get to this lab, you'll start your lab, or you'll spawn your target, and you'll be given your IP address. And remember, since all Flask applications run on port 5000, remember to include it so that it will be accessible. Well, it took me like 3 days to realize that. So luckily for you guys, you have me to, so that you'll not take the 3 days that I took. So include the port 5000. So this is what we have for this application. What it does, it's simple. Users add items, and they're displayed. Let's say I want to add something like a cup. Let me hide this. It has been displayed here, and again, the lab comes with a zipped file, the source code. You can download it and unzip it and see what is there. So since I've already done that, let's go and see what the source code is and find the vulnerability. So I had already unzipped the file and got my source code. So we can see we have pickle from the word, from the challenge Pickler. We already know what the vulnerability is. And from our source code, we can see a lot of pickle. Then we need to know what pickle is for those who don't know what pickle is. So you can just come and Google what is pickle. So that you can know what it entails. Well, Python pickle module is a built-in library that is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structures. What do we mean by serializing and deserializing Python object structures? Serialization means converting a Python object into a format that can be saved or sent somewhere else, while deserialization is the opposite of the process. That is converting a serialized bytes back into a Python object. So with Pickle, we know that it comes with vulnerabilities, and that one being insecure in deserialization. So what is insecure? deserialization. We are going to below so that insecure deserialization is a critical web application vulnerability that occurs when an application passes untrust user-controlled serialized data and converts it back into an active object without proper validation. In simple terms, the application trusts data from the user and rebuilds it into an object, but an attacker can modify that data to change the application's behavior or execute malicious actions. So before we solve this challenge, we need to understand what this code does, what is going on, and how we are going to get the flag, or how we are going to solve this lab. So first we have our import functions. Then here, the flag is stored as an environment variable and loaded into memory when the application starts. Then you can scroll down a little bit. These admin endpoint later returns this value after a successful authentication. So where is the vulnerable mechanism here? The vulnerable mechanism is here. So the application takes the username and performs Pickle dump, then it encodes it into base64 and gives us a cookie. So the cookie is stored on the client side. So the security problem is that the applications assumes the cookie was created by the server and cannot be modified. That is the first mistake. So apologies for that. So the server reads, the important section is okay. Yeah. So the server reads the user cookie, then decodes the value, the base64 value, then deserializes it using Pickle, and then checks whether the result equals to, yes?
Oh, sorry, I think it was from my side. I wasn't able to see your screen, but yeah, it's now visible. Thank
Pardon?
you. Sorry, I think it was an error from my side. I could not be able to see your screen, but I can now see it.
Oh,
Sorry
okay,
about
okay.
that.
Yes. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Then deserializes it using Pickle, then checks whether the result is admin. So there is no way, there is no verification that the cookie was generated by the server. And by this, an attacker can create their own cookie that can deserialize into admin. Then the application believes that the attacker is the administrator. So our goal is to create a serialized object containing admin. Then we'll take the generated cookie that is our attacker cookie. Then we will use it to get our flag. You can see it here. So I have a small Python code that is used to generate the cookie. So I'm going to copy that. And I'll go back and copy it. So I'm going to copy this cookie of ours. Then, yeah. allow you to be able to use. Okay, since it was refused, let it just stay there. Then we are going to use CAL to send our request to the Flask application, that is to the admin endpoint, and see if we are going to if this cookie is going to retrieve the flag for us. So, yeah, we have our you need to ensure that you've included the admin endpoints and the cookie that has been generated. Then enter. Then as from our source code here, it has done exactly what has been explained here. Sorry for that. So we have our flag, that is flag pickle the pickler. So there are so many ways to get the flag, not only this, not only using the cookie, you can use it. You can get it by getting the password, the admin's password. That is the only assignment I'm going to leave you. Guys, go and get the admin's password because you can log in. We have the login function. So you can get the admin's password and log in and also get the flag, not only using the cookie, getting the cookie way. So with that, we have solved the Pickler challenge. Yeah, thank you. And any questions? So if there are no questions, the only task I'm giving you, go and find the admin's password. You can also use that to log in and get the flag. So yeah, thank you, and join us next time also on Thursdays. These sessions happens after every alternate Thursday. I'll leave for the officials, Derek, to explain more. Yeah, thank you, and it was nice having you guys.
Thank you so much, Brandy, for the precise and brief, let me say brief, walkthrough. Um, Sorry, first of all, I want to apologize. I did not communicate effectively on the link. I think there was a kind of a miscommunication on the link. There were two different links. That's why I realized and shared it on the WhatsApp community channel. Maybe others on maybe who might have gotten the information from other platforms might have been misled. I really apologize for that. Also, I think today's vault was quite brief, and it has one question, just an update. We'll be adding more questions, which will be, I think, we'll coordinate with Brandy. She'll be able to issue more questions that I'll add to the vault. And yes, I would like, before I proceed, I just want to acknowledge uh, members of CTF room that you can see, of the CTF room team that you can see on this call. And just welcome them to introduce themselves so I can wind up. Thank you. You can maybe Jones or Ruben. If you have anything to say, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, Derek, and also thank you so much, Brandy, for taking us through this specific world. Um, it was brief, yes, but I don't think during the CTF itself, the ones who were trying to solve it found it that brief. But thank you so much for the insight. We do appreciate that so much, and we look forward to you sharing with us more knowledge and experience moving forward. I think I don't have much to say, but also just to thank everyone that was able to join this call and wishing you a lovely night ahead and hoping to catch you next time during the next walkthrough Thursdays. Thank you so much. I think Ruben, if he's here, he can say something. Thank you so much. Bye.
So, hello everyone. Hope you can hear me well. Actually, for today it was a brief one. I understand, and literally it was insightful because for those who have interacted that Volt, maybe you might had some problem with it, but at least knowing how you can solve it through the various methods as Brandy has shared. I know she solved it through various ways. So hopefully you'll all be able to solve it, and I believe it's going to be free for everyone to solve the lab maybe. So all and said, if you're looking to solve the next to hold the next session, there's a registration form that was sent. Please sign it up. Then we'll reach out so that you can handle volts. Remember, there's the advantages of being the one taking us through the volts. So always remember that, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Ruben. Just in a question in the comments, let me just share the link to the WhatsApp community channel. Give me a second. As I do that, would like to also mention that this call was being recorded and will be uploaded in various platforms for reference and because it's a Volt walkthrough, maybe for people to also learn from maybe they were not able to attend this call. It will be uploaded in our YouTube platform and other social media platforms will have snippets of it. Uh, I've uploaded, I've pinned the WhatsApp channel link to the, I don't know if it's visible. Yes, I've shared the WhatsApp channel link for our community. I'll also uh, share the walkthrough, assign the walkthrough, the one who lead the next walkthrough, where to sign up. I'll share it also in our WhatsApp community channel, and we'll also coordinate maybe to have it in our other platforms. Thank you for everyone joining in today's walkthrough. And also thank you for the high, I think, let me say high uh, sign-ups that I've seen on the walkthrough link that was shared before in our community channel. And also thank you in behalf of CTF Room team for observing the community guidelines that we had shared yesterday to control the content that we are posting in our platforms. So hoping to see you next time. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.